and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back. If you're new, thanks for joining me, and I'm glad you found me. This year I am new to the state of Michigan, and I'm teaching 5th grade for the first time, teaching 5th grade. So today is Saturday and I'm at school. I just came in I finished writing up my lesson plan, so I wanted to get all my copies and things done today. As well as earlier this week, one of my kids was on the website, on their Chromebook, on an inappropriate website. So I put the whole class on Chromebook jail until I was able to come in and go through all the browsers. So going through all the browsers, Mia is helping me go through all the browsers. So it's 1 o'clock now. Tonight, my husband is making me steak, and Mia is making me a bubble bath. And I'm going to get some hot lemon tea, rest my soul, rest my throat, rest my body, and rejuvenate for next week for a full week curriculum 2. So a little synopsis of this week. It was up and down the full week. Week 1, it was up and down. We had one amazing day. So that was the high. And then we had one day where I left here and I was just like, what am I doing? Why? Right? Teachers, leave me a comment below. How many days a week do you have that thought of why? What am I doing? Leave me a comment. Please let me know that I'm not alone. But anyways, enjoy the little clips of this week. I hope you're following me on Instagram. Every day I show you my outfit of the day. I would love to hear your feedback from that. I got some great feedback already, so I would love to hear from you and make this a personal connection. So enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you next week. Bye. This is one of my favorite exit tickets. You can pretty much use it for any subject. Today I'm using it for reading to explain characterization and the 4 different types of characters that they could be: flat, round, static, or, oh my gosh, dynamic. So we're doing this to exit out of the lesson today.